Well, hello artists, welcome to the Impossible Kingdom. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you have your colored pencils and paper ready, because we're going to open our imaginations, see what comes out. I have Creature's drawing deck here, 150 cards, millions of different ideas. I'm going to use that to get the engine going. You don't have to draw what I draw, you just have to get your pencil moving and having fun. I'm going to pick one out of the middle and see where we go. Grasshopper, it sounds fun. Medium subject, I'm going to go in here and get the flamingo. So I have flamingo, grasshopper, and the large animal will be a camel. Okay. And then the detail for this, let's see, superhero. Okay. Sounds fun. And if you don't want to do a superhero, you can pick fins and gills. Fins and gills or superhero. You can only draw two of these animals together, make a mishmash. That's fine. What is with this camera? And if you can only draw two of these things, if you want to draw a camel with fins and gills, if you want to draw a flamingo and a camel, if you want to draw a grasshopper camel, you know how it works. Whatever gets you excited about drawing, see what comes out. So here we go. The first thing I like to do is do a real quick sketch of the body shape and mass, trying to pick one of these to kind of be the anchor animal and then add other elements in. So the grasshopper has those bug eyes and two antennae and giant legs and little like corn cob body. The flamingo has these large stick legs. It's a bird, gigantic long neck, big nose and feathers. And then the camel, big hump on his back. He's super tall. He's also a big long neck. Let me see. What do I want? I like the camel body. So I'm going to make a hump on something. Something's going to have a hump. And then if we did a big long neck, that would work. So it needs a long neck. And then this face needs to be the probably the grasshopper face to make it so it has like mandibles or something down here. Now it makes it look like a snake. So it's gonna have these big literal bug eyes, a fun little neck on there. It's gonna have a hump on here. This could have the flamingo nose on there. See how these come together? I need the big antennae like that. I want these long stick legs, so I want to put the big camel belly on here, and then maybe this body is actually going to be a bug body, like the right here. It splits off, and it's going to be the bug body on the bottom. Oh my gosh, this camera will not stop falling. And then camel actually has a fun little horse tail. We're going to put these long, maybe he'll have. There we go. I have these giant grasshopper legs. So he has these like nubbity looking things with big muscles, and then these funny feet on here. So we have this and grasshopper feet, and then maybe it'll have the camel hoof here like that. Okay, that'll work. So there's my preliminary art. I'm gonna take that. I'm going to transfer it over. So this bug body, I'm going to have to scoot it a little bit to the right here. It needs a hump on here. And then this thing is going to go down and up like this. And then this whole is going to be like a buggy underbody like this. Maybe this will be fur, or it could be feathers. I don't know. Okay, so we have a tail on here. And this thing. Oh, we need the camel ears. That's what I forgot. With these little camel ears, and then ginormous grasshopper eyes. All right. That's that. That's this. It's gonna have these, and then maybe here, just to add some toughness to this. I'm gonna make these feathers. All right. There we go. So he has this. Camels have these big, like front lip, kind of overbite lips. So now this guy has that. So along with this fur, so he has a patch of fur back here. That kind of works. Got a tail here, and then on here. I'll also just draw on with this. Okay, so it has this bird feet. And then on here, we'll have his normal camel hoof things. So, there. That's kind of fun. Okay. So, add a little color and get this on the road. Actually, flamingos are pink. I want to make this guy pink. That's fun. See? I thought for a second, I was like, you know what? Regular old camel color, brown. So, there's so many things that color, so many animals. So, I'm gonna make this bright pink with those cool little pink legs and pink. I'm gonna make a pink tail because I want to. So there. It's fun. And then I'm gonna ink this at the end. We'll see what I can come up with. A champagne-y color, and then I'm gonna put some orange on here. Oh no! You heard that thing crack, man. Pencil's too young to die. I have a heavy hand, so I'm gonna call that dead. Now, I'm gonna add this cool orange. Complement that. A nice little plum color here. And for those of you who wonder why I outline so much of my stuff with the black ink before I do, you'll see in just a second, because it'll make this thing pop a lot better off the page, I think. But again, you have to figure out what works for you. Ah, man, there went my whole pencil. Oh my gosh, the whole pencil just busted. Imperial purple, and there it went. Wow, man, I'm killing some pencils today. Man, this thing is really hurting. Sorry, pencils. And then I will do some of this brown, like a caramel brown. Now I'm doing the brown just to contrast the colors. Now it looks like he's wearing a toupee. Cool little camel toupee. Oh my gosh, really not even pushing that hard today. Get a little black for these eyes. A little more brown on here. I'm gonna work some of this orange in. There you go. A little more in. Orange will be the unifying color here. A little bit of yellow, I think. Alright, and then what I'm going to do is, I hope, to Posca line this effectively. Let's see. Alright, it's kind of fun. Add a little definition to it, and then I'm going to come in with the white Posca here and really make a couple things pop. Not critical, but definitely nice to have. Okay. Well, that about does it for my grasshopper flamingo camel. I did not do the fins and gills or superhero. I did just the 3 animals. Obviously, I wanted to keep it a little cleaner. If you did a superhero, you get a golden star, you get the bonus. Good job, because that's beyond my skill level. So you gotta know what you can do, what you wanna do, and what you have fun drawing. Hopefully you open your imagination and never would have guessed that you were gonna draw that today. Whatever you came up with, thank you for drawing along. I hope you like and subscribe and let me know if you want to see more of these videos. I will gladly keep making them, but I gotta know people are watching. So anyways, thank you so much for tuning in to The Impossible Kingdom. We'll see you next time. See ya. Thanks.